Sustainable. Sustainability is related to the quality of life in a community, whether the economic, social and environmental systems that make up the community are providing a healthy, productive, meaningful life for all community residents, present and future. Our video is to introduce ways to implement sustainable to a selected building. The building we selected is Scholar Inn, located at University Technology Malaysia, SBEC. So let's look at the suggested elements. Rainwater harvesting. Do you know how does rainwater harvesting works? Rainwater is collected from the roof and is directed to the pre-filter through conveyance pipe. All the rainwater will be moved to roof washer and will be collected in the system. The collected water will be transferred and the water will be treated in chlorine tanks and filters tank. After that, the water will be transferred to filter tank to spread the water for consumer use. Do you know what are the benefits of rainwater harvesting to the consumer? The benefits of rainwater harvesting: first, it reduces water bills and water consumption. Second, it reduces the peak of storm water runoff. Third, it improves plant growth. And lastly, it provides alternative to supply during water restrictions. Next will be the photovoltaic solar panel. How do photovoltaic solar panel works? Solar PV system works by capturing sun energy using photovoltaic cells. Then the cell converts the sunlight into electricity. And they still collect energy even when it is cloudy. PV panels don't need direct sunlight to works. And they still collect energy even when it is cloudy. Solar panels also making a major contribution to powering your home. The solar energy powers your home and exactly the same ways as it works on the grid except it's free. So, how much roof space do we need for the panels? The size PV is 8 square meters. Most solar panels can last up to 50 years. Now, let's take a look at the process of installation solar panels step by step. Installation is simple. Firstly, find an MCS accredited professional to undertake a proposed solar energy project. Then, they will install the solar panels to your home. Installation of panels takes 2 days. The panels works when the direct current will flow off the inverter to the alternating current. From the inverter, the electricity travels to generation meter to your main consuming unit, where connects to your appliances. The best place to install solar panel in Scholars Inn is on the roof. Waste management using compost help to reduce organic waste produced by the hotel kitchen into a big pile of garbage. So, we propose a compost machine which called Green Good Composter. These composters can safely and quickly digest any kind of food waste. Compost machine will be installed in the hotel kitchen for easy cleaning is done by the hotel management. The question is, how it works. This is Green Good Composter. The organic waste from the kitchen will be thrown into this machine. Then, there are mechanical blades to mix the food waste. By maintaining optimal level of aeration, moisture and temperature, these machines successfully transform food waste to soil-rich nutrient in only 24 hours. These compost are rich with nutrients can be used for the garden at the hotel building to grow crops and to heal soil. Another way we suggest is installing motion detector to control lighting. A motion sensor light circuit is a circuit in which a light will turn on when movement is detected near its vicinity. Scholar Inn is suitable for this application where it is living area building. So, how it works. This is particular lighting sensor that illustrate how the motion sensor works in internal space in living area. In this schematic diagram, the main component of the circuit is of the PIR sensor. The passive infrared PIR sensor will detect movement through picking up infrared waves. The sensor triggered by the infrared waves will react to how the circuit was designed to react. The motion detector application have great potential in saving energy for scholar in building. It will enhance the quality of life and as well as for greener environment in the future. Applying non-toxic paint will be a good way to make scholarin greener. Instead of using normal paint, you may thinking of using green paint. Nope. Painting the whole building green is not a good idea. Non-toxic paint can also be called as organic paint. This paint does not contain volatile organic compounds, VOC, that will evaporate toxic chemicals to the air. Evaporation of VOC to the air will cause air pollution and affect human health, especially babies. Therefore, using non-volatile paint will protect scholarin's residents and at the same time reducing air pollution. Non-toxic paint will eventually protect human health, while providing good air quality to the surrounding.
Wow. Scholarin is repainted. The indoor air smells better. Love it.
The last one will be trellis green facade. Emma, please.
What is green facade? Green facade is created by growing climbing plants up and across the facade of a building. As you can see, conventional wall and green facade wall. When the sun spread the solar radiation, room temperature of building will increase. Meanwhile, the green facade will transmit the solar radiation and temperature will automatically decrease. Let me explain the benefit of trellis green facade. First, trellis green facade will protect the building. It's shield from the sun, rain and thermal fluctuation. Second, it become an acoustic wall and dampen noise pollution. Number 3, the quality of air become fresh and it's purify your air. Number 4, green facade will reduce the energy and save your cost. Number 5, sustainability. Make your world greener. Green facades are often installed because they provide an attractive look to a building wall. Now, from conventional building, scholarin become green building.
With these sustainable element, scholarin will look nice and green. We can change the world and make it a better place. It is in your hand to make a difference.